Hello guys, and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe. I'll absolutely appreciate it. Uthando Nesthembu season 8. I want us to talk about Uma Khumalo. Guys, in this season Uma Khumalo seems to be very quiet. She seems to be minding her own business. She is a different Khumalo from like the previous seasons, and I've been seeing comments on TikTok, and on Twitter. Some people are concerned, some people are worried. Why Uma Khumalo all of a sudden decides ukuba quiet because on the previous seasons people used to comment, but Uma Khumalo ya papa, Uma Khumalo this, Uma Khumalo that, right? All negative things related to umuntu or outspoken, because she has been very outspoken on the previous seasons. Anyways, honestly, mina ngelami lihlo ngibona ngathi Uma Khumalo akasinikeza lutho so far on the episodes that have aired from episode 1 to episode 5. Uma Khumalo akasinikeza content nje, akasinikeza lutho. I think inyathelo leli alithethe ukuthi yena nje akasafuni ukuphawula kwasani. He's not doing good for the show. Honestly, I'm one of the people who used to cringe on some of the things that Uma Khumalo used to do, stuff like ukulanda amakhosikazi one by one, fetching them, ebatshela indaba zabo and all that, ebahlalisa phansi, and calling umayeni delulu and all that. I was one of the people who said, hey, Uma Khumalo ngathi la yenza kakhulu ngawe uyayehlisa mbijana. But now that she is so quiet, it's worrying me, because honestly I do think ukuthi comments that were said by people on Twitter, on all the social media platforms, really got to her. You can tell man la ngendlela khuluma ngayo ukuthi she on the first episode of Uthando Nesthembu season 8, she was saying ukuthi ayana she does civilly check out comments so that she can better herself. So I think part of being quiet is her bettering herself based on what people are saying. So I don't know, maybe we are going to get used to the new Uma Khumalo who is quiet, minding her own business and all that. For now, honestly, I can't even tell ukuthi ngithi hey, I like this new Uma Khumalo or I don't like this new Uma Khumalo, because I feel like she is trying to sort of be someone who she is not, because simazi nje Uma Khumalo engumuntu bubbly who likes confrontations, who's confrontational and all that. But now all of a sudden Uma Khumalo is the quiet Uma Khumalo. It's like they changed roles. Umayeni manje on this season she is on fire. She is on fire, but Uma Khumalo is very quiet. So but anyways, I think this also is a lesson to us viewers. As much as these people are sort of putting their lives out there on a public platform, and also as much as on those public platforms, it gives us a leeway to talk about them. But I think it's a lesson to us to sort of filter whenever we talk about them, ukuthi sikhulume ngendlela ehloniphekileyo, and also consider that these are still people abalenyama legazi njengathi who get hurt. Because honestly I think Uma Khumalo, the comments really got to her. But anyways, I think I am hoping she's going to use whatever she deduced from the comments in a positive way to better herself, like positively. I would say agcine engasakholisi life living, esephila nje impilo engathi akuso yakhe, esetshintshe her whole personality. I just hope not, because usimaze ngumuntu obabli Uma Khumalo. I'm hoping ukuthi in the next coming episodes uzancibilika, abe Uma Khumalo simaze. Guys, on the meeting, on the dinner le ababelayo on episode, I think dinner started on episode 5 yaze yawela la episodes we started on episode 4 yaze yawela I think la episode 5. At dinner ubethule zwi uMakhumalo engafuni ukuphawula lutho. Zwi uMakhumalo ngathi hawu Makhumalo. And uMangwabe did comment wathi yena she thinks the reason why uMakhumalo ethule it's because uMakhumalo knew about the whole number 5 situation phela, because uMakhumalo ngubest kaBaba Mseleku, you know. Honestly guys, now that I'm thinking about it, the comments that were said about uMakhumalo were not nice. Were not nice. I remember there are people who were saying ukuthi uMakhumalo is sort of buying love kaBaba Mseleku, you know, ngokube ehambe ezama ukwenza iunity kumakhosikazi kaBaba Mseleku, ezama ukuthi uzama ukuhlanganisa abantu, uzenza uDeputy Mseleku, uzenza uGogo Floor and all that. I think those are enough words to make her ukuthi nje abune nje abe angabi nje nguMakhumalo simazi, angabi bubbly nje. Like a lot was said, honestly. Now that I'm thinking of it, a lot of negative things were said about a character kaMakhumalo and langendlela aziphatha ngayo as unkosikazi kaMseleku. So I think it really got to her. But anyways, I am hoping that okay, okunye engicabanga ukuthi okwenza uMakhumalo athule kungaba mhlambe angazi ukuthi kungaba ukuthi maybe growing up, you know, because she did say like ukuthi back then when she was still young wangenela on altercation kaMangwabe lo Baba Mseleku, like they were having a fight and then there was a lot of disrespect from uMangwabe disrespecting Baba Mseleku and wangenelela yena wathi you cannot talk to your husband like that. And then uMangwabe was said, "Haibo girl, who are you to tell me how to speak with my husband?" You know. So uMakhumalo was saying ukuthi she learned from that situation, you know, ukuthi if umuntu ekhuluma lo myeni wakhe akukhathalekile ukuthi lo myeni lawo umyeni wakho futhi njalo awuphawuli lutho, uyabayekela nje bachukane ube ngathi nje wena wukho. Like she stated a lot of incidences whereby wayengenelela if umuntu ekhuluma lo myeni wakhe lo myeni ongowakhe futhi ukuthi wayengenelela and then bebe sebemfaka endaweni yakhe. Like she stated more than one incident. What is it from those incidents? She learned ukuthi you know what, kumele ufunde ukuhlala endaweni yakho. Kumele ufunde ukuhlala endaweni yakho, ungazulindela ukuthi omunye umuntu azokuhlalisa endaweni yakho. So I would say maybe ukukhula nje mhlawumbe ukuthi maybe unjobe oshilo yena ukuthi hayi ukukhula okunye osokumenza, you know, abe toned down, angakhulumi kakhulu, you know, ama past experiences akhe sasemncane amjengisile ukuthi no, sometimes akusizi nje uthi wena uyi peacemaker and all that, especially if it involves indoda phakathi, yabo. So anyways, thank you so much guys for watching. Please do let me know what you think on the comment section. Please let me know if you like this new Makhumalo, because honestly we are getting a whole different Makhumalo. This is not the Makhumalo we know. We are getting a different one. Do you like this new Makhumalo or you like the old one? Okay, I know there are things from the old Makhumalo that used to make me cringe. From this new Makhumalo, honestly, angakamuconfirmi kahle, angakambona ukuthi khathi uMakhumalo lo mutsha lo unjani kahle kahle. So as of now I cannot tell ukuthi do I like her or do I not like her. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please do let me know on the comment section what you think. Otherwise I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.